你好，我叫 Pinky. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Pinky. I'm a Mandarin learner, and in this channel, in this content, I'll be uploading my progress, my learning progress with you guys every single day. So there's an opportunity for me to find a learning partner like you guys who will be pushing me every single day to learn new things, and for you to have a learning partner like me without payment. So yeah guys, today we are going to be learning just a word, just a simple word in Mandarin, which is the first word I learned too, not quite long. So yeah, you guys should know what we'll be expecting. Like, we're learning words every single day, and what we can pronounce and what we cannot. So we have to ask our lasher, yeah, our teachers, to enlighten us more. So guys, we are going to be learning a word in Mandarin, which is 后的钟声，那道教室的 which is 你好，你好，你好，你好。Ni is just you. When you say ni in Mandarin, it means you, and wa means hi. Okay. Ni, I mean you. When I say wa, me. Wa means me. Ni, ta means she, he, her, is, it, or yeah. That's meaning of ta. When Mandarin, they just use ta to describe he, she, it, and her, it, like that. So when you say ni hao in Mandarin, you're saying you good. When you translate it to English, just the two characters, ni hao, it's you good. But when you want to have a correct English translation, you just say how are you, or to say you good. But when you say ni hao in Mandarin, in China, when you go to China, when you say ni hao to someone, or a Chinese person say ni hao, it just means you're just saying hi or hello to the person. And meanwhile, you don't say ni hao to someone you know who is someone who's close to you. You say ni hao to someone you were just meeting for the first time, or someone who is not close to you. You get? So in China, you just nod. You just do body gestures, just say hi or hello, or you call the person's name. Someone who is close to you, just call their name, or you just say hi, or you just say hello to them, not ni hao every single time. So when I come here, I'll not always say ni hao, because you're the Pinks and I'm Pinky. So yeah, that means we're family, you're my friends, we learn together every single time. So I don't say ni hao to you, I'll just say hi guys, or hi fams, or hi Pinks. So that's what I'm gonna say to you when I come here next time. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, share with your loved one. Please share my video and like. So thank you guys for listening. Today's word is ni hao. Don't forget to practice yourself. Ni hao, ni hao. 再见，拜拜。后的钟声，那道教室。